Meg and I are up here at Rocky Mountain National Park, about to head to Dream Lake and Emerald Lake. It's gonna be a good time.
Yeah! Oh, this is good.
37 miles from Boulder, Rocky Mountain is our nearby national park, and Emerald Lake is its most popular trail. The reason? Well, scenery-wise, it's the most bang for your buck. It's only a bit over a mile to Dream Lake, one of the most scenic places of all. And just a bit further, we'll take you to Emerald Lake, a place that gives you a higher, more alpine feel. The trail has a moderate incline the whole way up.
That only means something to you. I don't wanna get caught up in this, so I keep telling myself there's nothing you can do, nothing you can do about it. Just keep your head up.
Alright, we out at coming up to Dream Lake from Bear Lake. Actually, we're gonna hit Nymph Lake first. Meg's up ahead of me because she's faster than me. Actually, she slowed down for me. This is a really nice trail in the winter. It's nice and packed down. You don't really need snowshoes. Just can be in your running shoes or your hiking shoes, hiking boots, and come out here and enjoy a smooth path.
And if I was like you, then somehow I'd be better.
We're coming up on Nymph Lake now.
I keep telling myself there's nothing you can do, nothing you can do about it. Just keep your head.
Nymph Lake is the smallest of the 4 lakes you'll see, and is sprinkled with lily pads in the summer months. It becomes a flat snowfield in the winter.
Just keep your head up, keep your head, don't sweat it, don't stress out.
So I used to work up here as a park ranger and used to do a Bear Lake stroll. Came up here with my parents one time, did Dream Lake, Emerald Lake. It was amazing. Such a scenic place to be. I mean, there is a lot of traffic out here, and even in the winter there's a fair amount of traffic, but that's why the trail is so nice and packed down.
Let's go and you don't let somebody take it. Just keep your head up, keep your head up, keep your head up, don't sweat it. There's nothing you can do, nothing you can do about it. Just keep your head up, keep your head, don't sweat it. Let's go and you don't let somebody take it. Just keep your head up, keep your head, don't sweat it, don't stress out.
On the way into Dream, you'll begin to notice Hallett Peak looming above in the jagged spires of Flat Top Mountain.
Your shadow stays behind. The smile through the teeth brought the colors to my eyes. For now I dig my heels, for all things fade with time. All things fade with time. All things fade.
Up here at Dream Lake on a beautiful Sunday afternoon. Quite a bit of traffic on the trails, and you can see why. What a gorgeous place to be.
A drink to wash it down, a piece upon my mind. When memory grows thin, your shadow stays behind. The smile through the teeth brought the coldness to my
Made it up here to Emerald Lake, and it's way colder up here than it was anywhere else on the trail. But as you can see, it's absolutely stunning. What spectacular scenery. Nice, we got to see a gray jay fly right up close to us right when we got to the lake. And see a lot of happy people out here, skiers, snowshoers, hikers. It's beautiful.
I have forgotten what it felt like to run in high altitude on our way up to Emerald Lake, but the downhill felt totally different, super smooth. I like running downhill in the snow, just sort of lose control. It's a time to completely surrender to the terrain. I like to put a little bit of weight in my heels, and if I slide, I slide. Sometimes I post hole and hit those deep spots and just pop right back out. But that's part of the fun of it too. It's something different, it's something new. It's not the same cadence over and over again that you get on those dirt trails. The snow just brings a different aspect that is playful and fun and less serious. It's just a magical experience where your inner child gets to come out and play.
Nymph Lake. Take a shortcut. So we are back down at Nymph Lake, and I gotta say, the wintertime might be the best time to trail run up to Dream Lake and Emerald Lake. There's a lot less people, but there's still a lot of people. Enough people to trample down the snow, make it nice and smooth. But yeah, it's beautiful out here in the winter. Great time to do this. Bear Lake is just such a nice spot. It's really easy to get to, but in the summer it's kind of hard to get here nowadays. You have to have a special pass to get up to Bear Lake parking lot and that kind of thing. So I would actually park down lower, ride the bike up here. But that's just me. So Meg, what was your favorite part of the run today?
Probably running across the frozen lakes. That's usually my favorite part. Something you don't get to do in the summer. Just being out here in the mountains, I miss them so much. It's I think running in the winter and in the snow is just one of my favorite things to do, especially when it's the good snow. Nice pipe down, powdery, not so icy, mountain snow.
Yeah, and we had the good snow today.
Yeah!